Hello and thank you for finding us. My name is Bruce. I'm the owner of Big Guy Rubs Barbecue Rub Company. I wanted to reach out to you today and tell you a little bit about our company. I've been making rubs for over 15 years. My father was a big barbecue master, and I learned the art of barbecuing and the art of rub making essentially from him. So I decided to open up a company and sell my rubs. So we have 4 rubs currently right now. We're working on 2 additional ones, which should come out in the next month or so. But right now we have the As You Wish, which is the everything rub. You can put it on everything: chicken, pork, vegetables, beef, even fish. Anything and everything. It's got a sweet taste to it. It's got an underlining a little bit of heat, but nothing at all really. You'll feel a little bit of it, but that's really about it. But the sweetness from the sugar, takes that over. The brown sugar rub is a sweet brown sugar type rub. Again, almost everything. Veggies great on. It's great on seafood as well. It's good on pork, good on chicken. This one is going to hit you with that sweet taste up front. On the back end, you'll get some heat. Not a lot of heat, but some heat. So it actually works out very well. It gives it some distinct flavor. Next, you have our fish rub. The fish rub is a bigger boat rub, we call it. Great with fish. It's got a lot of brown sugar inside of it, some dill inside of that, some salt inside of it that works great with fish. Bigger boat reference right there from Jaws. And lastly, you have the Death by Stereo, which is our Cajun rub. Great smoke flavor, great heat to it, not overwhelming, but good. If you like heat, you'll like it, but even if you don't like heat, you'll still like it. It's not overwhelming. It gives a good flavor to it. As you can see, all of the flavors here are all based upon pop culture. I'm a big pop culture guy, big movie reference guy, so I figured why not have some fun with the names. As You Wish, Princess Bride, Give Me Some Sugar Baby, Evil Dead, Army of Darkness, Bigger Boat, Jaws, and lastly, Stereo, Death by Stereo, which is The Lost Boys. Definitely try out our rubs. You won't regret it, and happy grilling.